Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X3 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Following that, hit Allow in the pop-up. And then select those three dots at the top right corner of Alarm section. Now tap on Settings. And before adding your alarm, adjust all of those however you wish to, like ring duration. Then tap on the back button and select this plus to create your alarm. Finally, set up an hour. When you're ready, you need to decide if you wish for your alarm to ring only once or you want to select some custom options. In order to pick days of the week, tap on Custom and then tap on all of the ones that you wish to exclude. So I want to stick with Mondays and Fridays. When you're ready, click on Alarm Name. Name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. And then select Ringtone and Vibration. If you never used this option before, click on Allow and then Allow again in Statement of Use. Now you can pick the best option for your incoming alarm. You can pick Weather Adaptive Melody, log in to your Spotify account and use music from it. Tap on this device and select a song from your smartphone. Or click on one of those system ringtones to apply the best one, like Dreamy Jazz. Wherever you decided, when you are done, go to Vibration section and tap on one of those options. You can disable vibrations completely by tapping on No Vibration. Tap on one of those vibration patterns. Or synchronize your vibration with chosen ringtone. Then click on the back button twice. Tap on Snooze. And decide how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also switch it on or off thanks to this switcher at the top. Now to save your new alarm, hit this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely thanks to blue switcher next to it. Then tap on one of those options and turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray one. In order to delete your alarm, you need to hold it and hit delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!